everyone, I am AC from Infradata Information Technology OPC. And welcome to Moments with AC. And today, I'm excited to introduce to you the new Chani 4G solar camera.
Shandy TCH363U 4G SIM camera. Ang pinakamalaking advantage nito guys, hindi mo kailangan ng Wi-Fi. Yes, tamang narinig ninyo. Lagyan mo lang ng 4G SIM card, then ready to monitor ka na agad, anytime and anywhere. Perfect ito para sa farm, construction site, warehouse, parking area, province house, temporary projects. Dahil kahit walang internet line, gagana pa rin siya gamit ang mobile data. And guys, hindi lang yon. Solar power pa itong camera na ito, meaning less hassle sa wiring at tipid pa sa kuryente dahil may rechargeable battery setup siya. Sa quality naman, panalo. Meron itong high-resolution, full-color video, kaya malinaw ang kuha, mapaaraw man o gabi. Hindi lang black and white sa gabi. Colored pa rin ang footage para sa mas detailed in monitoring. At ito pa ang mga astig na features. Merong human detection, vehicle detection, two-way audio, built-in mic and speaker, auto-tracking, alarm light and siren, weatherproof for outdoor use. So kapag may movement, pwede kang ma-notify agad sa cellphone mo.
And this is the Chandi 4G solar camera. Sa mga interested na magkaroon ng actual demo, installation guide, and itest itong camera na ito, just comment down below. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you sa next vlog. Shalom everyone!